Good morning, class 5. Welcome to the offline class, and we were doing chapter number 12, measures of length from composite maths. So the same thing, the composite maths we will carry forward today also. Okay, this is exercise 54. 53 already we have completed in the yesterday's class. Today we will do exercise 54. Question number 1 is convert. That means again the conversion is there. Now you have to do from the smaller units to higher units. That means from the lower units to higher units you are converting the things. Okay. See, the first one is given 8 millimeter into centimeter. Question number A is given 8 millimeter into centimeter you have to convert. In previous exercise we were doing centimeter to millimeter. Now we have to do from millimeter to centimeter. Okay, so what you will write, since we know that, see, we will write that since since 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter, therefore 8 millimeter is equals to 8 by 10 centimeter. That means it is 0.8 centimeter. Okay, so the answer is 0.8 centimeter. Clear? Now one more we will do. Let us do number B. Number B, it is given 65 centimeter into meter. You have to convert 65 centimeter into meter. So we will write since 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, therefore 65 centimeter is equals to, you have to divide by 100. You have to divide this 65 by 100 meter. Now it is changed to meter. So here it is 2 zeros. So 2 zeros and then the point. So it is 0.65 meter is the answer for number B. Similarly, number C, it is also the same. You have to divide it by 100. 160 centimeter into meter you have to convert. So similarly you will divide 160 by 100, and since there are 2 zeros, so from the last you will count 2 digit and then you will give the decimal point. That means the answer will be 1.6 meter. Clear? So the D1 8 centimeter into meter, that also the same way you have to divide by 100 and it will be 0.08 meter. Next, question number 2, convert meter into kilometer. Now you have to convert from meter to kilometer. Okay, so let us do question number 2. Question number 2 is given 864 meter into kilometer you have to change. So what we will write? We will write that since 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer, therefore 864 meter is equals to 864 divided by 1000 kilometer. So here 1 2 3 zeros, so 1 2 3 digit and then the decimal. That means 0.864 kilometer is the answer. Okay, similarly the other also you will do the same way. Number B, it is given 2375 meter into kilometer you have to convert. The same thing you will write, that since 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer, therefore 2375 meter is equals to 2375 divided by 1000 kilometer. So when you will divide 1 2 3 1 2 3, that means the point will be here. 2.375 is the answer. 2.375 is the answer for number B. Number C is also the same. You have to divide by 1000, and number D also the same. You have to divide by 1000. So number C, when you will divide by 1000, 58 divided by 1000. So after 3 digits 0, so it will be 0.058 kilometer. Okay. Similarly for number D, 9 meter into kilometer, it will be 9 divided by 1000. So it will be 0.009. Just see. Let us do number D. Okay. Let us do number D. Question number 2, number D. It is given only 9 meter into kilometer. So what you will write? Since 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer, therefore 9 meter is equals to 9 by 1000 kilometer. That means 9 and then 1 2 3 zeros. So 1 2 1 2 3 and then the dot. So 0.009 kilometer is the answer. Okay, 0.009 kilometer is the answer. Similarly, question 3, I am giving you homework. You will do it of your own. Centimeter and millimeter. Okay, you have to change only the centimeter. Oh, sorry, you have to change the millimeter. Okay, and the centimeter will be as it is. I am writing. See, only one I will do. The next one you will do it of your own. It is given 5 centimeter and 6 millimeter into centimeter. That means only this millimeter you have to change, and this will be as it is. So just break it. It will be 5 centimeter plus 6 millimeter. Okay, now change this 6 millimeter. This will be 5 centimeter plus 6 millimeter means 6 by 100 or 10. It is 6 by 10. But you have to write that since you will write since 10 millimeter is equals to 1 centimeter, therefore 6 millimeter is equals to 6 by 10. And when you will solve, this will be 0.6 centimeter or 5.6 centimeter will be the answer. 5.6 centimeter will be the answer. Okay, similarly you will do number B also. Number B is the same. You will do it like this way. Okay, now come to question number 4. Question number 4. 4A. 6 meter 65 centimeter, and you have to change into meter. You have to change into meter. That means this centimeter is to be changed in meter, and this will be as it is. So when you will break, this will be 6 meter plus 65 centimeter. Now change it. This is 6 meter plus 65 by 100 meter, because since we know that 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, therefore 65 centimeter is equals to 65 divided by 100. So this is 6 plus 0.1212 meter. That means after adding you are getting 6.65 meter as the answer. Okay, that means here 2 units are given and only 1 unit you are changing. Okay, and after that you are adding with the other one. Now come to question number B. Number B is given 35 meter 28 centimeter. Number B, it is given 35 meter and 28 centimeter. Now question number 4B. Question number 4B, it is given 35 meter and 28 centimeter. Okay, you have to change into meter. That means only this 28 centimeter will be changed. Okay, so break it. It will be 35 meter plus 28 centimeter, and it will be 35 meter plus 28 divided by 100 meter. And what we will write? Since 100 centimeter is equals to 1 meter, therefore 28 centimeter is equals to 28 by 100. So this is 35 plus 0.28 meter, and when you are adding you are getting 35.28 meter as answer. Okay, 35.28 meter as answer. So question number C and number D of question 4, you will do it of your own in the same process. In the same process you will do. Okay, now come to question number 5. Question number 5, you have to convert 8 kilometer 275 meter into kilometer. Now kilometer, meter is given, you have to convert the whole thing into kilometer. Okay, so let us do this one. Question number 5a, it is given 8 kilometer and 275 meter into kilometer. That means only this meter part will be changed. So break it, it will be 8 kilometer plus 275 meter. So it will be 8 plus 275 divided by 1000, because we know that since 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer. So this will be 8, 1, 2, 3 digit, 1, 2, 3 digit. That means 0.275 kilometer, and after adding it is 8.275 kilometer as the answer we are getting. Okay, 8.275 kilometer, the answer we are getting. Now let us do one more. Suppose number B. Question number 5, number B. Number B, it is 24 kilometer 65 meter into kilometer. 24 kilometer and 65 meter into kilometer. Okay, so this will be 24 kilometer plus 65 meter. You have to change this meter into kilometer. So this will be 24 plus 65 by 1000, and here we will write, this whole thing is kilometer, and here we will write that since this whole thing is in kilometer, and we will write since 1000 meter is equals to 1 kilometer, therefore 65 meter is equals to 65 divided by 1000. So this you are getting 24 plus 0.123, 1 more is there, that is 0.065 kilometer. Adding will give you 24.065 kilometer as the answer. Okay, it will give you like this. Okay, number C and D you will try of your own. Number C and number D you have to try of your own. Clear? Yes. Now students, question number 6, 7 and 8, 9 we will do it in our next class. Okay, today up to this only, and whatever we have left in the class, try to do it in your copy, because this conversions, it is very easy, and the more you practice, it will be more clear to you. Okay, so that's all for today, and bye all of you. These conversions should be present in your copy. Okay, so bye all of you, and practice maths.